नमस्ते। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. The meaning of this shloka is, may all become happy, may all be free from illness, may all see what is auspicious, and may no one suffer. The one and only Guten Tag allerseits. Ghost. Every child is scared of a ghost. Who isn't? It all started 10 years back with the word Bhutia. I would say, in the corner of the classroom there is a Bhutia, and if you don't listen to me, the Bhutia will take you away. That's when the first time trouble struck me. As children, you learn from your parents. That's what I did. What my parents used on me to get things done, I used it on my classmates. Guess what? My parents were sitting in front of the section head with me. I would hear voices like, he does this in class, he does that in class. The section head was just going on and on. It was like a WWF wrestling match where the section head was giving my parents a beatdown. I was just enjoying every moment of it. By the time I was in the 4th grade, my parents had a yearly twice meet to school on my account. I was the one and only. Most of the times it was not my mistake, but I was blamed. So to get an end to all this, I walked up to the principal's office to prove myself right. This happened last year when I straight away walked to the principal's office to prove my innocence. And yes, myself was not bad anymore. I walked with a clean sheet. There were many issues that came up in the past 10 years. What I did was butter the teacher, keep quiet in class, and just try to complete my work. That too was a task. I was stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea. Just act as if I'm crying or badly hurt to divert the teacher's mind. Most of the times it was not my mistake and I was blamed. So I would ask the teacher to check with everyone, and if I were my mistake, then scold me. But no, this never happened. But there were a couple of good friends who were there to support me, but they weren't around all the time. As lightning strikes, trouble struck on me. Day in and day out I used to avoid the teacher to add fuel to the fire. I would hear voices like, he did this in class, yes miss, he did it, we don't know but he did it. I would get cornered by all, including the teacher. I heard one more voice, come to the principal's office. That was doomsday for me. As lightning strikes, trouble struck on me. Day in and day out I used to avoid the teacher to add fuel to the fire. As I said last year, I got a stop to all this. I straight away walked to the principal's office. She had a word with me and told me that I have been a soft target, and even told me that she had heard stories about my behavior. Half the battle I had won, but the second one was to prove my innocence. That day, trouble struck me really hard. My pens were stolen. I informed the teacher, but knowing me, she ignored me. I said to myself, that's it. What my parents told me, that only and only you could get yourself out of any situation. So yes, my destination was the principal's office. I informed the teacher that I am heading to the principal's office. I excused myself into her cabin and narrated the entire episode to her. After narrating the episode, I told her, can you check the CCTV camera? It was a busy day for her. She asked me, should I check now? I had no choice but to say, yes ma'am. She was taken aback, but yes, she did check the CCTV camera. There comes the truth out. I was innocent. From that day, I was a superhero. The principal walked up to the class and informed that whoever was guilty had to meet the principal by 3:15 p.m. just before the school would end for the day. Any issue I would take up to the teacher or straight away walk to the principal's office to get it solved. Friends always will be there for you. It's good to be naughty. It's right to fight for what you are. And remember, I'm the one and only Arnav Soman.